What if I told you that using the free 120 effectively isn't just about practice? It's your ticket to getting an extra 15 minutes of break time on test day for both step 1 and step 2. Plus, if you want to build test taking stamina, here's how to turn the free 120 into a full test simulation. The free 120 are only 3 blocks of 40 questions. What that means is that it's 4 blocks short of the 7 question blocks that you're going to get on the real step 1 exam. To simulate the real exam, try adding 4 Q-bank blocks after you finish the free 120 to allow you to do 7 blocks of full questions. Plus, only try to give yourself about 60 minutes of total break time, which is what you'll have on the real test. Be sure to stick around to see how you can use the free 120 to maximize the amount of break time that you have on the real test day. For step 2, the free 120 is also still 3 blocks. However, the exam has 8 question blocks. And so if you want to simulate the real thing, you're going to want to add 5 Q-bank blocks after you finish the free 120. Remember that the break time for step 2 is still a maximum of 60 minutes. So be sure to plan your breaks accordingly. One of the best parts about the free 120 is that the interface mirrors what you'll see on test day. To actually find the free 120, you can actually just search free 120 on Google, or you can search for USMLE orientation. Once you do so, you'll have the opportunity to select either the tutorial or the overview, or to do specific blocks from the exams. The good news is, if you're comfortable with UWorld, you're already familiar with most of the USMLE interface. The navigation system matches exactly, the calculator functions the same way, plus the lab value display is nearly identical. For the purpose of this video, I went through and checked every single lab value that they give you in UWorld as well as in the free 120. What I found was that they were virtually identical. The only thing was that the free 120 had the normal value for lipase as well as troponin. The troponin is a throwaway since it should be basically just negative, but the lipase might be helpful. But here's where the free 120 becomes incredibly valuable beyond just practice questions. Specifically, you get access to the exact USMLE tutorial online, including the instructions on test day. On the day of your exam, they're going to give you 15 minutes to go through the overview and the tutorial. But any unused time goes straight to your break time, meaning that instead of having 45 minutes of break time, you can have a total of 60 minutes of break time. The way to do this is make sure that you've read through all of the tutorial and overview before you step into the exam. Then, when you start your test, skip to the media section so that you can check and make sure that your headphones are working. Since you'll have reviewed the tutorial and overview beforehand, you don't have to waste time reading what you already know. 15 minutes automatically converts to break time that you can use when you really need it later on in the exam. Think about it. An extra 15 minutes of break time means you can have a longer lunch break, more time to decompress, buffer for bathroom breaks, and extra time between really challenging blocks. One thing you want to familiarize yourself with is the way that you take break time during the actual exam. Obviously, they don't want you to take a break during the middle of a block. One reassuring thing is that if you forget to click take a break, it'll automatically use your break time rather than just moving you to the next block of questions. Before my exam, I know that I had this nightmare of I was gonna go take a break and come back and find out that like 10 minutes was missing from my next block of questions and I had to rush through it. As long as you have break time remaining, it won't start your next block until you hit start next block, even if you forget to take a break and just leave the room. If you're a medical student or a doctor preparing for either the USMLEs or COMLEX or one of your medical board exams, then be sure to sign up for our free 14-step program where we'll walk you through the most efficient ways for you to improve your score in a short period of time. And if you're interested in getting there faster, be sure to book a free call with our team where we'll break down what it is that's holding you back and, if it makes sense, explain how it is that we can help you to get there more efficiently.